Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Black color, black color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now I coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use green color, green color. The alphabets of C. Kids, again use green color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now I draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now I draw G. G for goat, G for grapes, and again use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now I draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use blue color, blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw I. I for eyes, I for ice cream. Kids, now I draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use black color, black color. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now I draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now I draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, now I draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail, and use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now I draw S. S for sun, S for snake, and use yellow color, yellow color. T, T for teacher, T for tiger. U, U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, now I draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use blue color, blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids, now I draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use black color, black color. Y, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids, again use black color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.